When you click results in H2X, you sometimes get a list of warnings. Now, these are here to firstly help you connect the system if it's not connected properly, and then sometimes it is to give you some tips on how to get the best out of your system. So in this video, we're going to be showing you how you can troubleshoot it efficiently. So the first thing I just want to say is it can be overwhelming sometimes because, say, for one simple fix of adding a balancer valve, you might get a lot of warnings. So it's important just to work through them one by one. And the best way to do that is if you hover over this information button here, you'll get a very clear description on what the problem is, how to resolve it, and then sometimes you'll even get some more tips as well on alternative ways to resolve it. And then for some of them, you even get a YouTube video, so you'll get an actual description and an example project and on how to fix it. So it's worth reviewing this before you go too far. And one other tip that we like to give is if you click on the warning, it will take you exactly to that. So if you've got a large project and it's saying that there's a fixture not connected, what we recommend is just zoom in as far as you can anywhere on the project, click on the warning, and it's going to take you exactly to that. So it's really easy to find where the problem is. If we go on this one, for example, if we zoom in and click on this, it's going to take us exactly there. So they're the main points to be aware of, and now I'm going to go through some of these warnings and show you how to fix them. So we'll start from the top, maximum pressure overloaded. Pretty simple one. We've got too much pressure coming in, so whether that's from the flow source or because there's a huge pump on the project, what it's telling us to do is to add a pressure reduction valve to the design. So it's up to you where you do this, but let's come back into the plumbing workspace, and I'll just add one to the incoming water supply here. So choose the pressure reduction valve, add it onto the design, and make sure to enter the target pressure. So we'll go with 4 bar. Now when you click results, you can see straight away that warning has gone away because now the pressure is not too high in the system. On to the next one. So we can see here that although the hot water pipe has come close to the fixture, because we can see this cap, it's not quite connected. So we can just drag that over there and connect that up. Sometimes it doesn't connect because it doesn't allow the systems to connect. So if that was allowing warm water and it said no, you just need to click yes before making that connection. Coming back to the results. So the next one's for the balancing valve. It's missing. So that again takes us to this area, and we can clearly see that there is no balancing valve on this. It's been missed. So once again, very easily choose the balancing valve, put it wherever you'd like to, and then as you hit results, a warning goes away. All right, for the next ones, let's find out where this is. We'll zoom in. Pipe's not connected to the flow source. So with this one, it tells us follow the grey pipe towards the flow source until you see a coloured pipe, or the flow source, because that's where the disconnection is. So you just want to follow this grey pipe, and as you can see, it's not connected here. Connect that up, click results, and that warning's gone away. And these last ones are actually related together, so if we find out where this is, it's here. Sometimes as you're drawing, you can draw 2 pipes in the same place, or you might accidentally connect things in an order you didn't want to. So if you see something like this, the pipe's dashed because it's created a ring main here when you didn't want one. The best advice I would give here is in an area where you have this, you can right click and drag a box and just delete what's there, because it's usually a mistake with how it's being drawn, and then just redraw what you had. So in that example, I'd drawn 2 pipes there for whatever reason, and as I click results, you can see that's gone away. And now there's no warnings, so hopefully that helps. Thank you.